Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a test, 1 million iterations, and compare several programming languages, Plumbra, Tomato, Pascal, and Python. Here are the results for 1 million iterations. Pascal, or Avocado, 0 milliseconds. Python, 102 milliseconds, which is 0.102 seconds. Plumbra, 563 milliseconds, or 0.563 seconds. Tomato, 13.12 seconds. Now, let's see what happens if the test runs for 1 billion iterations. We multiply each result by 1,000, and here's what we get. Pascal, or Avocado, about 1.8 seconds. Python, 102 milliseconds times 1,000 equals 102 seconds. That's 1 minute and 42 seconds. Plumbra, 563 milliseconds times 1,000 equals 563 seconds, which is 9 minutes and 23 seconds. Tomato, 13.12 seconds times 1,000 equals 13,120 seconds, which is 218 minutes and 40 seconds. That's 3 hours, 38 minutes, and 40 seconds. To summarize the results for 1 billion iterations, Pascal, or Avocado, 1.8 seconds. Python, 1 minute and 42 seconds. Plumbra, 9 minutes and 23 seconds. Tomato, 3 hours, 38 minutes, and 40 seconds. Now, let's compare them directly. Plumbra versus Tomato. Plumbra is 23.3 times faster than Tomato. Plumbra versus Python. Plumbra is 5.5 times slower than Python. Or, in other words, Python is 5.5 times faster than Plumbra. Plumbra versus Pascal. Plumbra is 312.8 times slower than Pascal or Avocado.